Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. There has been a lot of work that you've been completing up to this point, and I want to say that I appreciate all of your efforts to keep me informed as to the issues with McGraw-Hill. I know not everybody is having these issues. I see that quite a few individuals have been able to complete the quizzes in the labs, so I'm not sure why not everyone is able to access them. I've been in contact with McGraw-Hill and we're still trying to work it out, but for right now, I don't want anyone to feel that their grade is being negatively impacted, that they haven't completed the quizzes and labs that they don't have access to. We're going to get it figured out and we will come up with an alternative solution if we need to. So for this week, we're going to go over to week 4. And we are going to start with health compromising behaviors this week. So, how our health is negatively impacted by either specific actions that we take or things that we don't do that would, in fact, make our health or would promote our health, as we discussed this past week. So, we're going to take a look at some of the different ways in which we can compromise our health and the impacts of those. So for this week, we have our health compromising behavior folder. And so in here, you'll find the PowerPoint that I've developed. And then your responsibility is to read the chapter, review the PowerPoint, complete the Learn Smart, complete the quiz. There's a substance use and abuse lab. And then these 3, I'll see if I can highlight these. These 3 are through McGraw-Hill. Those are the only McGraw-Hill assignments. Everything else you have full access to, and you should have full access to these. And then you'll have another TED Talk assignment, and then the diet and exercise reflection assignment, which is going to take that information that you've completed over the past 2 weeks on your 3-day diet and your 3-day exercise assignments. So we'll go into those first, and I'll show you all of these. Okay, so obviously we have the PowerPoint here. So we have your TED Talk folder that's going to have, if you click on this, it will show you all of the different videos. So this first, here we go. Okay, so this first one is a video. These are video TED Talks, and then this one should be an article. And so then here you'll click TED Talk assignment, and then this is where you will turn in your reaction reflection. And so then we've got your health compromising behavior Learn Smart, quiz, and lab, and then your 3-day diet and 3-day exercise reflection. So these are your assignments that you'll have this week. Then we'll talk about the exam in a minute. We have your step 1.3 of the behavior change project. So up to this point, you should have completed step 1.1 and 1.2, and you have to complete a passing score on each of those in order to advance to the next step. So this is just to make sure that you're understanding the instructions and the questions, and to really ensure that you're going to be able to develop a quality behavior change project. Okay, finally, we have our first unit exam. So this is going to open Monday, September 13th, and it will not be due until September 24th. So you will have 2 weeks to complete this, and it states it right here. So the exam is 40 minutes. You will have to complete it in the HonorLock browser. And so it states right here how to do it. You also should be able to, if you go into the unit exam folder and click on the unit exam, it should give you the option Yes, it does. So you need to add the honor lock extension in order to continue. So this is something everybody will need to complete prior to even getting into the exam. So like I stated, the exam is 40 minutes and it covers chapters 1 through 4. So obviously chapter 4 we're completing this week. So if you are going through the chapter and you take the quiz and you feel confident, you are able to take the unit exam this week. But because, depending on people's schedules and how they set up, timelines in order to complete assignments and things like that, you have the ability to take this next week as well, but you're still responsible then for unit or for week 5 information and assignments too. So this is going to be week 4. So we've got health compromising behaviors. You're going to have quite a few assignments that will develop and inform this information a little bit more. And we will start with the first unit exam. So that means, though, too, we are now, after this week, a quarter of the way done with the semester, which is so hard to believe. I hope everyone's enjoying the cooler weather and is able to take some time to um, just self-care or, alleviate some stress. I know this isn't really we're in uncharted territory right now, as we have been for the past year, and it can really wear on people. Um, Let me know if you have any questions or if things come up about this information or any of the assignments, and I hope you all have a really great week. Thanks.